In this section, we'll discuss the basic features of a group. In order to explain what are the basic features of a group, it is necessary to explain first of all what is a group. Group can be defined as people who are interdependent and have mutual influence on each other. When we discuss that what is a group, similarly we come up with one important fact that when people are together in a group, they do not remain entirely undifferentiated. They develop pattern of behavior, divide tasks, and adopt different roles. The three basic elements of a group can be one, social norms, social roles, and social status. Social norms can be defined as rules and standards for appropriate behavior, or in other words, we can say that these are those shared rules and expectations about how a member of a group should behave. Whereas social role can be defined as a set of those norms that suggest how the person's behavior should be and what will be the position that person is holding. According to that, behavior will be decided. Third is the social status, that is a person's rank or privilege in a group. Expectation state theory that was developed by Joseph Berger and his colleague that actually analyzed the creation of status differences in group. According to this perspective, group members want to achieve certain goals and were willing to confer high status on members who can help the group succeed. There was an experiment that was conducted in which three different individuals who was thought to be given a particular membership in a group according to their competence. One of the individual was a female, that was a female of 40 years old, white college professor, and who have written several books. Second was a 35 years old African American businessman and who with many years of leadership experience. And third was a 50 years old white physician who has an active general practice. In deciding on the person to the head of the jury, it was found that according to the age, sex, ethnicity, and wealth, the decision was made. As the juror might discount professor, the female of 40 years old, who was actually having a competence and qualification because she is a woman and women are generally given less status and authority. Similarly, the physician was also not thought to be included, though he was a senior in age, but he was not having that much in knowledge. And later on, the third person, that was African American businessman, he was thought to be having all the possible characteristics to be included in a group or to be given a possible status in a group.